everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we are turning that dream into a design reality as we explore the world of mansion beach house design. This isn't just about building a big house by the sea, it's about creating a living masterpiece that perfectly blends architectural luxury with the natural beauty of the coast. We'll be breaking down what makes this style so special, what the benefits are, and showing you our top 10 favorite designs that truly embody this incredible lifestyle. Mansion beach house design is a unique architectural style that combines the scale and luxury of a mansion with the specific aesthetic and environmental needs of a coastal location. It's a design philosophy centered on maximizing the connection to the ocean and the surrounding landscape. Key elements include expansive living spaces, often with open-plan layouts that flow seamlessly from indoors to outdoors. The design prioritizes panoramic views through the use of floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass walls. Materials are carefully chosen to be durable against the salt and moisture of the sea air, with a preference for light-colored stone, concrete, natural wood, and glass. The overall goal is to create a serene, luxurious, and functional living space that embraces the tranquility and power of the ocean. The benefits of owning a mansion beach house extend far beyond just its stunning views. The design itself, with its emphasis on natural light and open space, contributes to a sense of well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Large windows allow ample sunlight to flood the interiors, which is known to improve mood and regulate sleep. The open-plan living areas create a sense of freedom and airiness, making it easy to entertain and connect with family and friends. From a practical standpoint, a well-designed beach house is built to last. Architects and builders use materials specifically chosen to withstand the coastal environment, minimizing the effects of corrosion from salt air and moisture. Furthermore, a beach house provides an immediate escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, offering a personal sanctuary where you can relax to the sound of crashing waves and enjoy the simple beauty of nature. Decorating the exterior of a mansion beach house is all about enhancing its natural surroundings. The key is to create a seamless transition from the home to the landscape. Start with a neutral color palette that reflects the beach environment, like whites, beiges, and soft grays. Use natural materials like wood decking, stone pathways, and concrete terraces to create different zones for relaxation and entertainment. Landscaping should be minimalistic and low maintenance, with plants that thrive in coastal conditions like palm trees, grasses, and succulents. A large swimming pool is often a central feature, acting as a visual anchor and a perfect spot for sunbathing. Outdoor lighting should be subtle and strategic, highlighting architectural features and pathways without overpowering the natural beauty of the moonlight. Lastly, incorporate comfortable outdoor furniture, like lounge chairs and dining sets, to create inviting spaces for al fresco dining and enjoying the ocean breeze. Mansion beach houses come in a variety of styles, each with its own unique characteristics. Modern minimalist. This style features clean lines, a flat roof, and a monochromatic color palette, often white. It prioritizes functionality and open space, with floor-to-ceiling windows and simple, geometric forms. Contemporary coastal. This style is a blend of modern and traditional elements. It may incorporate natural materials like light-colored wood, stone, and stucco with a more relaxed feel than pure minimalism. It's often asymmetrical and focuses on creating multiple outdoor living areas. Mediterranean villa. Inspired by homes in Greece and Italy, this style features light stucco exteriors, arched doorways, tile roofs, and lush courtyards. It evokes a sense of timeless elegance and warmth, perfect for a sunny climate. Coastal farmhouse. A modern twist on a classic style, it combines the simple, comfortable feel of a farmhouse with beachy elements. It might feature white shiplap siding, expansive porches, and large windows with a more traditional pitched roofline. Tropical modern. Designed for warmer climates, this style blends clean lines with tropical elements. It often includes rich, dark woods, lush landscaping, and open-air living spaces with seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. And now, let's get into our countdown of the top 10 best mansion beach house designs. 1. The modern white sanctuary. This impressive, multi-level home features a sleek, all-white exterior with clean, geometric lines. It has a flat roof and extensive floor-to-ceiling glass windows that open up to a large wooden deck. A beautiful swimming pool is a central feature, overlooking a stunning ocean view. The minimalist design is all about maximizing the connection to the sea and the sky. 2. The multi-textured coastal retreat. This large, multi-level home showcases a rich blend of materials. It features white walls, dark gray siding, and warm wood accents on the exterior and decks. The house is built into a slope, with multiple terraces and a rectangular pool. The presence of lush tropical-looking plants and palm trees adds a vibrant, resort-like feel. 3. The grand glass-walled residence. This is a stunning contemporary home with a clean, white stucco exterior and a flat roof. A standout feature is the massive, two-story glass facade, which provides a dramatic view of an interior staircase. The home has a large, rectangular swimming pool with an adjacent deck for lounging, all set on a manicured green lawn with the ocean visible in the background. 4. The cliffside modernist. This modern mansion is a feat of engineering, built on a high cliffside overlooking the ocean. The exterior is a mix of light-colored stone, white walls, and dark gray accents. The home has multiple levels and staggered balconies with glass railings. A large infinity pool is a striking feature, appearing to merge with the sea. 5. The terraced coastal home. This multi-level, light-colored home is defined by its series of cascading terraces. The design is contemporary with multiple protruding sections and a flat roof. It features large windows and glass doors on all levels. A prominent stone-clad wall on one side adds texture. The large terrace includes a swimming pool and a lounge area, all overlooking a rocky coastline. 6. The geometric beach house. This large, modern, multi-story home is a study in geometric design. The exterior is a combination of white and gray, with a number of balconies with glass railings. A long, rectangular swimming pool is built on a deck, with steps leading down to a lower patio. The home is surrounded by simple, well-maintained landscaping, with the ocean providing a natural backdrop. 7. The dark and dramatic Oceanfront. This striking home has a dark exterior, possibly a dark gray or charcoal-colored stone or stucco. The multi-story design is sleek and modern, with large, rectangular windows and a flat roof. A large outdoor deck features a fire pit area and a sizable infinity pool that looks out over a rugged landscape and the ocean. 8. The luxurious tropical haven. This very large white home has a clean, contemporary design with multiple levels. A notable feature is the large, curved glass facade on one side. A prominent, kidney-shaped swimming pool with a small waterfall feature is the centerpiece of the main deck. The home is surrounded by lush green lawns and tropical-looking palm trees. 9. The tiered modern estate. This large, multi-level home features a series of staggered balconies with glass railings. The exterior is a mix of white siding and stone or wood accents. A large, rectangular swimming pool on the main deck is lined with sun loungers. The house is built into a slope site, allowing for multiple decks that overlook the ocean. 10. The coastal gem. This large, luxurious home uses a combination of light-colored exterior materials, including white walls and natural stone cladding. It has a series of balconies with simple railings. The most distinctive feature is the large, uniquely shaped circular swimming pool with a separate hot tub section. The pool area is surrounded by a large deck with loungers and umbrellas, and the property has a lush lawn leading down to the beach. Mansion Beach House design is the pinnacle of luxury living, seamlessly blending high-end architecture with the raw beauty of the coast. These homes are more than just residences. They are experiences, offering a sanctuary where you can escape, relax, and reconnect with nature. They prove that a home can be both a work of art and a comfortable, functional living space. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern mansion beach house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.